Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the trading platform in the VideoForex broker. As you saw in the previous educational videos, you have registered and successfully verified your identity in this broker. We covered deposit and withdrawal methods and will now teach you about the trading platform. In the upper right corner, manage your accounts and switch between main or demo accounts. Next, you'll see the deposit option. As shown in previous videos, deposit using cryptocurrency or Visa card. The withdrawal option follows, allowing withdrawals via Bitcoin or Tether. Next, see the essential trading tools. Specify options trading type, turbo, intraday, or long-term. Turbo trades last 5 seconds to 30 minutes, intraday up to 1 hour, and long-term for following days. Set trade expiration 24 hours a day. You can make deposits. Next, see withdrawal options like Bitcoin or Tether. Next, see key trading tools. Specify options trading type, turbo, intraday, long-term. Turbo trades 5s 30 meters, intraday, up to 1H. Set trade expiration 24. Long-term trades, set for days ahead. Specify trade expiration varies by type. In the turbo trading type, trades last from 5 seconds to 30 minutes, and in this trading section, you can set your trades for up to 1 hour, and you can set the expiration time of your trades within 24 hours a day, and in the next section, the long-term section, you can set your trades for the following days. Specify the expiration time of your trade. Determine trade volume. Predict correctly to earn 79% profit, losses shown, by illuminating the fixed time. Your trading volume stays fixed. Next, specify trade volume by amount or percentage, and see potential profit. Predict correctly to earn 79% profit. If wrong, your investment is lost. Next, choose if the price will rise or fall. The broker offers AI trade, using VideoForex's AI to execute trades, analyzing currency pairs with algorithms. In the upper left, see selected currency pairs. Add more by clicking the plus button, choosing from options, Forex, and CFDs. We are in the options trading section. You've set a fixed time for trades. Next, you'll see options to predict if prices will rise or fall. This broker offers an AI trade section using VideoForex's AI to execute trades, analyzing your chosen currency pair with algorithms. In the upper left, selected currency pairs are displayed, and you can add more by clicking the plus button, choosing from options, Forex, and CFDs. We're in the options trading section. Click here to enter Forex and CFD trading, where trading options differ. In Forex, we have buy and sell options, and you can specify trade types, market price, or pending. Next, select the trade volume. The currency pair you selected is analyzed, and some trades are executed. Now, in the upper left corner, as you can see, the currency pairs we previously selected are displayed here. And we can add to this list by clicking the plus button, choosing from the categories of options, Forex, and CFDs. In the first part, we are in the options trading section, and by clicking here, we enter the Forex and CFD trading section, where the trading options vary. In the Forex section, buy and sell options exist, and in the first part, specify trade type, market or pending. Next, select trade volume. Then, leverage is shown, 1-2000, and required margin shown. Set take profit and stop loss, and click place buy to execute trade. Currency pair or asset name displayed. Click to select other assets or stocks. Choose chart type, tick, candlestick, or trading view. Click to view trading sessions. Leverage is 1-2000, and required margin is shown. Set take profit stop loss. Click place buy to execute trade. Currency pair asset name is displayed. Click to select others. Choose chart type, tick, candlestick, or trading view. Click to view trading sessions. Select time frame representation. Add indicators, oscillators. Use lines for analysis, especially in tick chart view. Click to select another asset or stock. Choose chart type, tick, candlestick, trading view. Different sessions display when clicked. Select time frame representation with next option. Add indicators, oscillators, and lines for analysis. Use zoom, follow, shift features. Trading view offers many analysis tools. Currency pair name displayed. Hover for details. By clicking on the next option, you can choose what each of the displayed timeframes represents. By clicking on the next option, you can add indicators and oscillators to your chart. And with this option, you can use different lines for your analyses on the chart. In this section, you can utilize features like zoom in, zoom out, follow the chart, and shift the chart. However, in the TradingView display, you can use a wide range of tools for your analyses. In this section, the name of the currency pair we are analyzing is displayed, and by hovering over each candle, you can see the open, high, low, and close prices. By opening this option, you can use features like zoom in, zoom out, follow the chart, and shift the chart. However, in the TradingView display, you can utilize a wide range of tools for your analyses. As you can see, in this section, the name of the currency pair we are analyzing is displayed, and by hovering over each candle, the open, high, low, and close prices are shown to us. In the TradingView chart, as you can see in the first part, you can use various lines for your analysis. We are shown the open, high, low, and closing prices. In the TradingView chart, you can use lines, use Gann, and Fibonacci tools like Pitchfork or Gann box, draw shapes, add text or notes, use patterns to specify long or short trades. Using the next option, you can draw various shapes on your chart. And using this option, you can add text or notes to your chart. The next option is related to the different patterns that you can use. And using this option, you can specify your positions in long or short types. Using the next option, you can click on a specific part of the chart. And you can also see other options to help you draw your lines. Well, that was a complete explanation regarding the trading platform of the VideoForex broker. For more tutorials, stay with us. Goodbye.